Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. In this video, I will be doing a review on PinWizz software developed by Rudy Rudra, which will be launched today, 3rd of October. This software will help you to find boards, pins, and different interests on Pinterest. PinWizz is the world's first Pinterest automation traffic software and exclusive training. This software drives target traffic from Pinterest to any blog or website for free. This software will help you to find boards, pins, and different interests on Pinterest. Now I will talk about what is PinWizz. I will look at the application. I will jump into the sales page, and then we will go into the members area where I will show you what this product can do. I'm Dr. Loendi from LegitBlueprint.com, where I provide content videos, tutorials, and reviews to help you grow your online business. Click on the link to create your own online business if you want to start a successful, proven strategy. If you need more information like this, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you will be notified when my next video is released. Let's get into education. We're in the sales page. And here it's like any other sales page. If you scroll through, it's good. It looks good. Everything that we need to know is there. It's like any other sales page. Brand new technology, which is true, helps marketers drive automated laser-targeted traffic from Pinterest in the next 10 minutes. I haven't really used it to know exactly how long it takes, but I like the product. It was a good product, and I think it's time that we look at Pinterest, as Pinterest have over 3 million daily users every day. Here is a short video, so I'm not going to play the whole video. And as you heard, Pinterest is the fast growing business. The third fastest, I must say, not really the first. Everything you need to scale with Pinterest, everything is there. Here you have graphs to see how it goes, today, yesterday, what you earn. David Kirby, Billy Dar, Sus is not my favorite people, but let's see how it goes with this app. This page is a normal page. You can boost your brand, drive new leads for your offers, engage easy with our users, build visual links and web traffic, boost website visibly and reputable. And there's a lot of what you can use and see. I'm happy with PinWizz. 3 simple steps, which is true. You log in, you activate, and then you start using it and making your profits. Focusing on the sales page, as you can also just go through the sales page yourself. Now, I'm always wary when it comes to this type of things. You never know, is it true or not? But I believe using this, you won't have to ask for your money back. Now, let's jump in to PinWizz members area. So this is how the members area look. There's a dashboard. Here it says interest counts, board followers, total pins, and total comments. Before you can use PinWizz, you have to sign up your account from Pinterest. Now, I already have done this. I added my account. I have a yoga shop on Pinterest, and I get 1,000 daily views. So I added my shop just to see if everything is working. So after you added your shop, let's go to the rest. They have a photo editor. Not the best, but it's there. And if you're using Pinterest as a normal person without hype and all the extras, this photo editor will do. As I'm a Pinterest user, I know exactly what you need. I sometimes use Canva to make my photos for Pinterest, but this is just what you need. Now the boards itself. Here I looked at what other boards are available, So you can see immediately, as I'm in the yoga niche in Pinterest and not make money online, I used the yoga and health and fitness. And I just checked out these 2,519 followers, 13,000 followers. So it all depends. Let's search for boards. Now let's look at make money online. Look at all this. Instead of searching one by one that I used to do manually, now you can click here, and here you can see all the boards and all the make money online information you need. And here you can also see follow account, how many followers they have, pins, how many pins did they put up. So I think this app is really a good app, and we need it long ago. So here you can go into the old, and then you can also see what's happening. The other thing with Pinterest is a visual platform. It's not like Facebook with a lot of wording. You have mostly visual, and people who love visual love Pinterest. And here, if you click on Pinterest, then you can see and you can make comments. Pinterest is a little bit tricky if you don't know how to use it. Once you understand Pinterest, it will be much easier. And with this app, I think it's a good way that we can use Pinterest. Okay, let's go at healthy eating. This app is working, everything is good. Add a pin, we can add a pin. I'm not going to add any pins here, as this is just a demo page I'm using. You have a URL shortener. So here so here I created a shortener, which I will not use as our Elite shop is short enough for me and I like my name. Images. They have photo editor and they have a lot of images. Let's look at money. What is in the money box for the images? There's a lot of images that you can use. Different money. Let's look at flowers. If you're a flowery person and you need some flowers. Okay. And now we will need sand, as I'm from the desert. So this is all your sand and the beach pictures. So although the photo editor is basic, I think you can really do what you need for Pinterest with this photo editor. I'm always looking for training and can I contact them? So I want customer support. So if we look at training, I was quite impressed. It's very short training videos, but you get all the information you need. Here is one, how to choose your offers if you want to do anything on Pinterest and how to do it the right way. You can do offers, how to get targeted followers on Pinterest, and this is really true. This is a 7-minute video. This one is a 4-minute video. How to bulk comments. Usually we had to comment one by one manually, but now with this you can set it to bulk comments and you comment. Just be careful, don't scam Pinterest. Switch a free Pinterest business account. I have a business account on Pinterest and it's still free. So Pinterest is really a good platform to use and it costs nothing. If you want to do specific ads, you can, and then you have to pay. Ticket, Loendi, email. Okay, so they have support and it went through and my message is sent to them. Now that I showed you PinWizz, the sales page, the members area, I want to talk a little bit more about this product. By using PinWizz, I can now easily find other audiences on Pinterest in my niche and help me copy and emulate their pins and repin my pins on Pinterest. Here I can build my own audience very quickly with the help of this new app. To automate commenting and following, which is awesome. It comes with a built-in photos and thumbnails that you can use. Photo editing is there, although it's limited. This will cost you $17, and I think for a start, I will be happy with this. There's tons of features to use if you are looking for a new area to explore, and I would suggest this is it. As this is now automated, you can spend your time on more strategic tasks instead of wasting time doing all the work manually. You can do content discovery as I showed you. You just type your wording and you get your content. You can schedule pin actions. I used to use Tailwind for this, but now if it's in this, I will see how it works. You can search whatever you need using the right keywords. And then here, let's look at upsells. I don't really like upsells. I looked at this. I will have to do a more in-depth inspection of all the upsells. But for me, if the basic product can help me, I'll stay with the basic product for $17. So let's see. This is the upsells. The front end is $17. Then you can get unlimited. You can get the pro version. You can have the do it for you version that they do. You can have exclusive and reseller. Now, I don't think I'll go up the path with all this. I will start with front end, as I find that front end would help me with what I'm doing. Here is my Pinterest account. I have a business account for free, cost me nothing, except when I want to do specific ads, which I don't do, then you have to pay for this. So the impressions per month is 300 million people going through Pinterest every month. I have 1K links and clicks on my yoga channel. I have 748 saved and impressions quite high. Pinterest is more a visual platform than a writing blog or like Facebook or YouTube. And here I just showed you some of mine. I have natural gemstone bracelets, I have essential oils, I have yoga accessories, I have the yoga chakra tapestry towel. Now if I want to answer anybody or send any message, I used to have to go manually in this and then you have to write. Now with this new app you can set it and you can add your comments for a whole lot of this post together. So you can mark them and you can schedule the comments and you don't have to do it manually anymore. Now, why would I promote this product? I would only promote legal quality products and build a long-term sustainable business online. And this product gets a 6 out of 10 stars from me, as there are shortcomings to this product, but I'm happy with this product as it's out and we can now automate Pinterest and the task we always had to do manually. I think 6 out of 10 is a fair score for this product, as it's new, as we still have to test it and work with it. I'm happy that this product is out. I've been on Pinterest for quite a few years now, and it takes a toll and it takes a lot of work to make sure that Pinterest is working. But with this product, I can use a few minutes a day based on my experience and the durable evaluation of the product. I will recommend you to buy this product if you're a Pinterest user. This product can work. Please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell not to miss my next review. I'm personally following a proven strategy to generate an income online, which is working for me. So click on the link below if you want to join me with this new business. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time on the other side of the screen.